STEM is the big catchword right now because everybody wants to make sure that we are preparing our students for the 21st century learning.
We're seeing kids who are not necessarily prepared.
Critical thinking, collaboration, being able to code Spheros, it actually combines all of those.
Everything we do is in a group, so they're constantly working with their peers and working with that and building those skills to use in their future careers.
I think it's accessibility and it's usability. Kindergarten students, all the way up to high school and beyond students can use it.
Sometimes when the kids do the programs, they finish the task, but then they want to go further.
When they are working on a Sphero project and they don't get it to work the way they want it to, well, now they've got buy-in. They have a reason to continue that struggle to figure it out.
And it sort of teaches them a new way of persevering and the rewards they can have for that perseverance. It teaches them skills that are valid today and in the future, and it does it in a way that doesn't feel like classwork.